Good morning, everyone. This is Gary Kay, and we're here to talk about a special encore week of the E4V, the fall E4 evolution. I'm here with Melody Craigmile. Melody, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, Gary. Thanks for having me on the show today.
Well, I really appreciate you being here, and I know everyone is focused on the holiday, but at the same time, as people find themselves every once in a while, hey, you get bored of eating chicken and you start to scroll in your Twitter feed or your Instagram feed or your Facebook feed or your LinkedIn feed. You know what happens over the holidays. We're gonna hope that you pop across this video because and of course, the fact is this will live for a while, but we have an encore week of the E4V happening starting November 30th, the week of November 30th, December 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. What exactly is an encore week of the
Mhm.
E4V mean, Melody?
Well, the Encore week is because we've gotten so many requests from people that really are trying to get those CTSRUs before the end of the year. Maybe they have a little bit of downtime right now, they're being a little bit slower. So we've decided to open back up the E4 Evolution site and the platform, which of course is based on the launch platform. And they can go there and get those CTSRUs either by watching the recorded live sessions that we had and taking a quiz, or watching the subject matter insights videos that we have in the different solution centers, and taking that quiz as well, plus all the other bonus content that we have with product videos and all of the stuff in the solution centers that's curated content specifically for each one, whether that's next generation workspaces or digital signage or UCC. So there's just a variety of things that people can take advantage of.
Yeah, and there are 6 solution centers that were at the original E4V back at the end of October. All of those have been reactivated, so all those sessions. So you have each of the keynote sessions that were presented. Some of them had 2 per solution center. So you have the opportunity to earn 13 or 14 CTS credits if you watch all the subject matter expert videos as well. And there's an extra little bonus reason to go there. It's not just for the CTS credits, but there's an extra little bonus that Almo is throwing in, because each day they're going to give away 3 major prizes to someone that joins the E4V. Before you tell them what the prizes are, Melody, I want to explain that if you went to the E4V in October, you can log back in with your current login credentials. Those will be reactivated. All you have to do is go to e4evolution.com. If you went to the event in May, you can do the same thing. The first E4V back in the spring, you can log in with those login credentials. If you can't remember your login credentials, just put in the email address, click forgot password. We'll send them to you again. And if you have never been to an E4V, you can also join as well. So you can actually go to E4 Evolution and register if you've never been. All 3 scenarios are activated on the e4evolution.com site, and you get CTS credits. So talk about the 3 prizes, because you have 2 biggies and 1 smaller prize, but they're all going to be for the home. They're not just commercial AV prizes. They're really
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah. So we thought that we would throw in some holiday fun with some prizes that people could win. So a lot of people are at home, obviously, maybe not traveling, or maybe you're fighting with your kids over the TV. So we're going to give away each day a new Samsung 4K TV. A sound bar with a wireless sub, which, by the way, I've had one of those previously and they sound amazing. And then also a new product that we just got into stock, which is a Video 360 headset, which, interestingly enough, this piece is OSHA certified for safe listening. So if you have kids that are doing distance learning, and maybe they're using that gaming headset, which is really loud, but these headsets were designed, that's either 3.5 millimeter or USB, but it's gonna ensure that the volume is not too loud, that for that extended period of time that you yourself are either online on calls, or your kids are listening to distance learning. That's going to be a very durable and safe headset that they'll be able to have. So each day we'll be giving away those 3 prizes. We'll post them on the website, we'll post them on social. And so we think people will really enjoy these in their homes, you know, for
Well, it's also an
added
little added bonus as their reason to join.
Probably still working from home.
Yeah, and it's also a little added bonus as to why to join the event. Even if you went in the spring or the fall, there's probably a session or 2 that you didn't get a chance to watch. So this is your chance to watch it. You earn CTS RUs. We'll automatically send you the CTS certificates by taking the test. Don't forget to take the test after watching the video. We'll send you the CTS RUs certification afterwards. But they're also going to give 3 lucky people that join each day, and all you have to do is log in and join. Join each day, the 3 prizes.
That's
all right,
it.
so they're going to be giving away 3 prizes: a 4K TV, a soundbar, and a Video 360 headset. All of it is at e4evolution.com. Melody, congratulations on 2 great events this year. You did something that no other distributor was able to do, and that is to hold 2 virtual events that were substantial. You did 6 days of virtual events that were a combination of, I'd say, you know, a combination of a little bit of a trade show, a little bit of a conference, and a little bit of networking all rolled into one. So congratulations on doing that. The E4 AV Tour and E4 Experience have been famous for sort of pioneering these types of shows. So congratulations on doing it again in the virtual world.
Well, thanks, Gary, and thank you, and thanks for, you know, being one of our keynote speakers. I think, you know, the thing that made our event really unique is it's all original first run content. So it's not stuff you've seen anywhere else or on anybody's website or anywhere out there. So, you know, if people are looking for timely, you know, original new content to get those CTSRUs, this is the place to go.
Yeah, it is. And as she said, it's all original content. All the sessions were CTS approved. All the sessions were all educational. They're not about products. They're all about technology or trends or something like that, not product focused. There are product focused videos, new product videos, or some new products introduced at the show. All of that is still intact at the E4 Evolution site. So check it out now at e4evolution.com. And of course, you can always check out Almo at almoproav.com. Melody, thank you very much. Have a great holiday.
You too. Thanks, Gary.